Hi, thank you for joining me on this lesson. I'm going to show you how to create a folder on a Windows computer. I'm sure for you to be watching this video, you are already enrolled with Living Up IT Solutions for a BCL course, Basic Computer Literacy course, and most of the questions you may want to ask, kindly refer to the PowerPoint notes. Otherwise, this video is made for a hands-on practice. So you may ask what a folder is. Well, a folder is simply a file container. A folder may contain different types of files such as videos, audios, presentations, publications, documents, and program data. The same way a physical folder may contain certificates, bank statements, results, certificates, bills, plain papers, various types of files put together, enclosed, sealed in a file, or in a folder. The same way a folder on the computer does. It's not restricted to contain only one thing. It may contain various files, and it can even contain other folders as well. In this video, you pay attention to the mouse effects. For example, when I place the right click on my mouse on the screen as you watch, you see a blue flash color. When I place left click, you see a red flash color. When I highlight something or I select something, you see the green color. When I move the mouse from one point to another, the mouse pointer, you see it move with red effects. And when I click the mouse, you hear a sound. So step one, the whole of this screen you are seeing right now is the desktop screen. So let's learn how to create a folder from the desktop screen. So step one, right click right there on the desktop, anywhere. Make sure it's not on an icon, on a plain desktop surface, plain, like this. Then say new. Don't click anything, just move your mouse in this same straight line. You reach where there is a folder, then you left click. Then you come here, you left click and begin. You start seeing that flashing light. Do you see that one? That is the case. It means you can edit the name of the folder. So let's see, name it demo folder. Okay, demo folder 1. When you are done, place the enter key on the desktop. Then move the mouse pointer to another plain surface, right click, then say refresh. Okay, now let's create another folder. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's call it demo folder 2. All right, let's refresh the screen. Good. Let's create another one. We call it demo folder 3. Press enter, refresh. Okay, so how many folders have we created? We've created 3 new and empty folders. demo folder 1, demo folder 2, demo folder 3. How do I know that these folders we've created are empty? From the look. When you open, are you seeing inside here on the mouth of the folder? No, wala. There is no. Here there is no. But when you see this folder, you can see something inside. Even this one, you can see something inside. This one you can't see anything. It even tells you what? Empty. Even here it will say empty. Then there, what does it say? It tells you a list of things inside. It tells you when the date it was created, the size this folder is occupying is about 17.9 GB. That is the size of the things that are inside. Here empty. Here empty. Empty. Okay, let's refresh the screen by pressing right click, left click on refresh. Now let's try to put folder 1 into folder 2 and folder 2 inside folder 3. So bring your mouse pointer here and left click once. You see that it is highlighted, it's blue. Then hold down, left click, press it down, don't release your finger on the desktop. When you do that, let's start moving slowly. You see it is saying move demo folder. Once it does that, you release. Where has it gone? Let's refresh the screen to confirm. Let's go into folder 2. Is it there? Yes, it is there. This one tells you to close. This one minimize, maximize. So let's close. Okay, let's refresh. Now here, what does it say? Is it saying it's empty? No. Even on the mouth of the folder you can see it's telling you say there is something inside. What is inside? Folders. What is the name of the folder inside? Folder 1. So let's do the same thing we did. Place now demo folder 2 inside demo folder 3. Left click, then hold the down press, hold the left click pointing on this one, hold it down, don't release. Then let's start dragging. Don't release your finger on the left click. Are we ready? Yes, let us release. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's refresh the screen. Right click, refresh. Now let's check. What is it saying? There is a folder inside by the name of demo folder 2. So let's right click, open. We have demo folder 2. On demo folder 2, let's also open. We have what? Demo folder 1. Then let's open empty. So let's close. Let's refresh the screen. Okay, now let's go and try to remove all the folders inside. So number 1, you open, then right click, cut, left click, paste, refresh, close this thing. Let's open folder 3. Is there anything? No, the folder is empty. Let's come to demo folder 2. We do the same thing. Cut, paste. Okay, close this. Let's check if there's anything left. No, nothing. Let's refresh. These folders still show that they are empty. So step 2, let me show you how to create a folder inside a folder. So open, we are there. You've seen this is from this point here up to here, from here up to here. This is inside the folder. So just put your mouse at the center, then right click, same method, new folder. You see where it's going to appear. Just wait. Tulolera. My computer needs a bit of patience, but it's going to do the work. Let's refresh while it's working. Let's wait. Okay, you've seen it. Refresh from inside. Close. We are in demo. Look, the folder name we are inside of is demo folder. Look at your demo folder. So close, then open again. You've seen it, new folder. Inside this folder we can also create another one. Open it. We are inside new folder. So do it. Wow. Press enter. Then let's close. So let's open. We have new folder. Open again. We have new folder. So we can delete this one and close. Refresh. Then this gone. Refresh. Save it again. For any questions, please get in touch on WhatsApp. Thank you for your time.